This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Cindy Caskey. Open house, Sunday, February 27th, 1 to 4 p.m. Beach living at its finest in this Bay Breeze Point home, featuring a beautiful remodeled kitchen and primary bathroom in 2017. Everything slows down when you come home to Bay Breeze Point. Quick stroll to the beach. Close to the best dining, shopping, breweries, places, or just your own backyard to watch the sunset. New HVAC in 2016. The bamboo floors are stunning and the natural light glows all throughout the home. On a cul-de-sac with little traffic, as it is beyond East Beach, 2 blocks to the beach, without the East Beach fees. Nice composite deck and beautiful landscaping and hardscapes. For more information, review the details below.